How to create an account on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can basically create an account on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to go ahead and then basically create an account on Facebook, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Facebook application, and then you will see this type of interface where what you need to do from here is, if you have an existing account, you can log into those accounts, or you can tap the create new account from the very bottom of the screen here, and once you tap on it, tap the get started option. Make sure to enter the first name and the last name that you would like to use for your Instagram account, and once done you can just tap the next option, Facebook account, and now just make sure to enter your date of birth. That would make you at least over 16, or at the minimum of 16 or to 18 years of age, and once done you can just tap the next option again, and after that you can select your gender, and then you can just try to enter your mobile number if you have a mobile number and you want to use that, or you can just tap on sign up with email address here in order to log in with those email addresses. This way you should be able to create an account on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.